Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile, and here you can see the option of username, and here you can see that username, if you change your username you are only able to change after 30 days. So how you can change before 30 days? You simply need to go back and go into the settings and search here date and time, like I am doing, and change your time. Okay, so you can change your time to 30 days ahead. Once you change your time, like you can see that today is June 21, so you simply need to change to July 22, and after that you need to go back into your TikTok and change your username and click on save like this. Okay, so you can see that. So this is a process by which you can change your username on TikTok without waiting for 30 days. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.